iOS 18 is a big release that delivers more ways to customize your iPhone, stay connected, and relive special moments.
Hey guys, your boy Jay here, and today's video is going to be basically about the newly released iOS 18 features. But firstly, before we get into it, let's look at the devices that are eligible for this update. So, currently iOS 18 is compatible with these various devices, and here they are. Firstly, we have the iPhone 15 series, which is the iPhone 15 Plus, Pro, and the Pro Max. Next, we have the iPhone 14 series, the iPhone 13 series, 12 series, 11 series, X series, and of course, we're not leaving out the iPhone SE series. Let's look at the features that iOS 18 comes with. Now, first on the list is the ability to rearrange your apps or widgets within your home screen. Now, this is screaming Android. Yes, it is, because as we all know, Android has had this feature for like a really long period of time, and now Apple has come and then taken it to another level. Next up is the message feature. Now, with the message feature, Apple has introduced new emojis onto their messaging apps, and secondly, you can be able to text via satellite. So in case of emergencies or stuff that you don't have network or cellular data, all you have to do is you can simply send messages through the satellite for emergency purposes. Let's not forget that. So now, speaking about features, iOS has recently upgraded their privacy features. You can be able to hide your apps from basically anyone on your mobile phone. Before, we never had that on our iOS devices, but now we do have them. And also screaming Android. Now, yes, you can be able to hide your apps or add passwords or codes onto these apps. Now, when these apps are hidden, or related information for these apps like messages, notifications, and all that won't show up. And it's gonna be strictly hidden. Yes, strictly hidden, like confidential stuff. Nothing's gonna be out there, and basically it's just gonna be secret. Now, Android devices have had most of these features over the time, and well, iOS just kind of added a touch of AI and all of that to it, and that's nice. Now, I currently can test out these features because I'm yet to update my device. But until I do, yes, I can have this because this is the iPhone SE, so it's available for this device. So until I do, then it's gonna be more updates and more reviews on that. But for the time, it's just basically the news and highlights of all that Apple has recently put out. So until next time, or until the next video, it's your boy Jay, and I will see you around.